True and true.
The same answers every week.
Where are you getting true from? You have to explain that one to me.
And so 3 would be C, I think.
C?
I think so.
Yep,
Yeah.
because p hat is the
Sample.
population, the sample population, and p is the true population proportion.
And nobody knows what P tilde really is, right?
Not yet. I'm sure
Okay.
it's probably coming up next week or something. He probably got ahead.
It's probably like that F statistic.
Probably.
Just a warning. And then 4 I put true.
Yes.
Yeah, just from looking at it, it looks true.
No, the idea I think is to work the math.
Right. So n times p is 25, which is greater than 10, and n 1 minus p is 9.75, which is greater than 10. So true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, work through your math.
And I did, so, and are the requirements then for confidence intervals and the hypothesis, are those the both NPs, 10s? Are they the same?
No, the hypothesis test, you have to have a p hat, a p, and an n to find your z statistic, your z score.
So
But since those are all listed there, we have all the right information to conduct the hypothesis test.
So then what formula do we use? The 100 times in parentheses 1 minus 0.25?
Yes. Now what? What are you talking about? Okay. The requirements for a confidence interval is NP is greater than 10 and N times 1 minus P is greater than 10.
Right.
On number 4.
Yes.
So what are the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test?
The one where it's, if it's what I'm thinking, is it N and then times in parentheses 1 minus P?
Is greater than 10?
Yeah, is that what it is?
That's what I thought. I thought the requirements for both of those tests were the same. The NP is greater than or equal to 10, and N times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10.
No, they're two different numbers.
They're two different requirements?
Yeah, because when you're doing 100 times 0.25, the other one you're doing 100 times 1 minus 0.25, which is, so it ends up being 100 times 0.75. So it comes up with two different numbers.
Either way, they're both true.
Yeah.
One I think comes with 25 and the other one comes up with like 75 or something like that.
Right. I didn't realize that one was for the confidence interval and one was for a hypothesis test.
Yeah, that's why they say like both of them, just because the one doesn't mean the other.
I've just been checking both of them regardless of what I'm looking for.
So have I.
Yeah, that's what I do too, because where it has to be both of them, you have to check both of them.
Okay. So we
Like
got
the other one where
4 and 5 are true, and 6, I think, is 0.75.
that's what I'm getting.
Okay.
So it would be 0.750 because it's 3 decimals.
Sure. That's a good idea.
Yeah, 0.750 is what I got too.
Good. And I just used the newish kind of applet thing for 7. Are you guys using that, or
Excel file?
yeah? Are you using that, or do you do it by hand?
I'm using that right now.
Okay.
So I got B for that one.
Yeah, that's what I got. I like that little machiney thing they gave us. It's pretty handy.
So 60 and 80 now would be, it's different. Okay, so one increased but the other decreased.
I think if you increase the sample, it decreases, I wrote.
The margin of error. Oh, that's confidence interval. I didn't write that.
Yeah, because the first one increases to 0.655, but the second one goes down to 0.845.
So in my notes I wrote, as you increase the sample, you decrease the interval.
Okay. Oh, well, yeah, because... But this... Okay.
Does that make sense?
I get what I did wrong. I changed the top X to 60 and the and N to 80 when it should have just been N that changed.
Oh.
So yeah, decrease.
It decreased.
Yeah.
Okay. So on this one, it's saying for a hypothesis test, 2 requirements must be met. So I think it's saying that both of these little NP things have to be
Right.
So,
0.5.
oh, so the answer is 0.5 because it's the 1/2?
Right.
No. Let's see. What's the smallest N? P is 0.5.
Oh, is this like that one where you times it by 10, so it'd be 20?
20, yeah. Because 20 times 0.5 is greater than or equal to 10. And 1 minus 0.5. Yeah, so that'll work for both of them. So
Yep.
20.
So then 10 would be 100?
Yeah, that's what I got.
So we times N by 0.6?
Yeah, so on the first part, NP, N times P, I got 48, and the other one I have 32, so they both look good.
Yeah.
I think 11's true.
And then 12 would be 38 divided by 80,
Yeah.
Uh-huh,
so 0.475.
yeah.
And then that's when the beautiful thing comes in.
Yeah, that's what we should call it, the beautiful thing. Mine says negative 2.282.
And they want it, what, greater, equal, what was it?
Less than.
Less than? Negative 0.282?
Yeah.
Or negative 2.282.
Yeah, negative 2.282. And the p-value is 0.011.
So we don't we fail to reject the null.
We reject it, I think.
Oh
It's less
yeah,
than 5.
0.01, not 0.11.
0.05. Yeah.
Yeah.
So reject the null.
Reject the null. Uh-huh.
Now these are the ones I always get. I screw up on. I always.
I know.
So,
So if
because
it's-
we reject it, we have to have sufficient evidence to reject, so that knocks out 2 of them.
That's the way I do it. I'm like, if it's reject, there's sufficient. Mark 2 away.
So then you go by when. So okay, yeah, I got that. If you reject it, you need sufficient. So then do you go by, for the rest of the answer, do you go by the null hypothesis or the alternative?
They're supposed to state it according to the alternative.
Right.
Okay, so
If you reject the null, then you're accepting the alternative.
And the alternative
Evidence to conclude that it has decreased.
okay,
has
so it would be A. Okay,
A.
that makes sense. Because that's the part where I get confused because I want to go with the null hypothesis, and it should be the other way around.
Yeah.
Well, we got 100.
Hooray.
Hooray.
That was a nice short one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
We're also
We
energetic
got
today.
100. Our assignment got approved. You can't ask for better.
I know. Oh, I could be well.
Yes, Rose could feel nice and healthy, and I could get a voice back at some point.
I could go back to. I could get 100 on this quiz that I'll be taking sometime
Yeah.
soon.
There you go. I hope it's an easy one. My brain doesn't want to think today.
I know. Mine either. Says, aren't we done yet?
Yeah. Put me to
Go
bed.
now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the broadcast.
All right.
Sounds good.